And I forgot to put the disc in. Son of a mother. Hold on. Get my fat arm out of the way. Alright, guys. We're back with some more Dark Souls 3. Maybe if it decides to load. There we go. As you can see, I got Battlefield 5 loading. It's free for this month, which is awesome. I've seen gameplay of it before. It looked really fun. I was thinking about getting it anyway, and then I saw that it was for free this month, so I was like, what the hell? I'm downloading it. So I'm gonna be playing that later. Maybe I'll record it, maybe I won't. I don't know. Depends on if I feel like doing that or not. But right now, we're doing some Dark Souls 3, so God bless you and your families. Stay safe. I just hope everything is going good for everybody watching this, if there's anybody watching this. Because so far, nobody's been watching, like, hardly any of my Dark Souls 3 stuff. But it is what it is. Blessed, God bless you and your family. Stay safe, and thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this right now, because that's awesome. I'm thankful for every view, every like, every subscribe that I get. You know, matter of fact, even dislikes help my channel out. So, you know, like, dislike, share, you know, yeah, all that stuff. All right, let's get into this. Let's see, we left off. All right, we were trying to do Gray Rat's stuff, but now we're also gonna do. Hold on, did I? Okay, he gave us a key to something. I don't know what that goes to. But I'd imagine we'll find out eventually where that key goes to. It said something about a lift. I don't freaking know. All right, we're gonna buy an ember because why not? Alright, so now we're going to go talk to Gray Rat, because apparently, or not apparently, I mean, I already know this, but because eventually he will go pillage somewhere, and then he'll come back, and he'll have more stuff. Alright, so right now he's doing that. After he's done doing the curl up in a ball thing, he will eventually start talking to us. And that's when he will ask to go pillage. Hold on. I wonder if I reset, as in like teleport back. Let's try doing that. Let's try warping back. Hopefully that will reset it, and he will be, you know, sitting up, and then we can talk to him, and he'll go pillage. Because that's when he will actually leave for a bit, and then he'll come back. Send him to pillage. Yep.
You will not be disappointed.
Alright, yeah, because he does get more stuff to sell. Granted, I probably won't be buying really anything from him. But he does sell blooded moss clump, so we're going to go buy some of that, because that'll come in handy. But he does sell some pretty good stuff here. Long sword, bastard sword, mace, spear. Plus he sells the thief mask. and some other good stuff. And later on, when he comes back, he'll sell the Elva set and some other stuff, which is pretty awesome. All right, I didn't pick any of those up. All right. So now that we have done that, now we go to. Let's see. That's right. We did that boss earlier. Yeah. Let's go there. Yeah. Because we messed up. Yeah. Because I messed up on Sigward's quest line, so not gonna be doing that. He must have got killed off somehow, off screen. Man, I hate those guys. We're just gonna run past these idiots. I am gonna grab that though. Alright, another undead bone shard. Really wish to swap out Peter with Twinkling Tight Night. Because I probably got a bunch of that by now. Yeah, I have 5. Yeah. Woo-boo. I'll take that. Balls. Balls. Hold on. I will make this jump. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, see, normally Sigurd would be in here, but somehow his quest line got all screwed up, so he ain't there. But I don't know. Probably something that yeah, I probably did something to mess it up somehow. So not fair. Alright. And I hate fighting gargoyles. Especially in these games. Actually, let's go back to Firelink real quick. Let's check something out. So, although Grey Rat probably won't be there, so I think he, yeah, because he left already. But I'm gonna check something.
Thanks.
Uh, okay, yeah, Grey Rat's gone. Oh. I keep hoping that Sigward's gonna end up in there so I can do his quest line. Uh, but this is gonna be the last time I check. Yeah, alright. Unless... No, there's no way I could have already gotten his armor and gave it to him. I just don't... Hold on, there's one more spot. One more spot I could check. Because if he ain't there, then he's never gonna be anywhere. Because he wasn't at the spot with the demon thing that we killed. And he's not in the well. So it's either he's here or he's nowhere. And that means I'm gonna have to wait till New Game Plus to do his. Because I wanted to try to get everybody's quest lines done, but looks like I may have screwed up. Oh, come on. Yeah, he ain't here. Yeah, so I screwed up. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is. Alright, well, let's go do Yarm then. Get him out of the way. That's it. It'll just have to wait till New Game Plus. It's a minor inconvenience. It's just really hard to remember like all the NPC stuff. Because you got Patches, you got Grey Rat, you got Sigward, that that one hollow thing that can give you free levels. And then after him, you get that woman. Plus, you have that other NPC. We're going to want him to go all the way over here so that we can run over there real quick. Whoosh! Oh, what the bullshit? That was some bullshit. Not really, but I'm saying it was bullshit. Oh, man. Alright, well, that happened. Okay, let's unequip that stuff so we have fast roll. This is actually a very light weapon. Normally I'd upgrade it, but this thing requires Titanite scale, which I need for my main weapon, so I ain't wasting any Titanite scale on it. How did... Man... There we go. Top off our health. Dang it, I missed. Ah, we both traded. What? Bullshit. I was locked on too. Like how the hell did that miss? That made no sense. Man, this damn sword takes forever to charge. Alright though, didn't do too bad. Only died once. Alright, so that takes care of that boss. Now all we have left is Pontiff. Everybody's favorite boss. Which, I mean, really, it's not a bad boss fight, but I don't know, it's just not, I'm just not, yeah, I'm not a big fan of Pontiff. Let's see. Oh, I already bought the life ring. Yeah, and the executioner armor. That's the armor that that guy had on. Yeah, Horus the Hushed. Yeah. Yeah. All right. I was gonna sell those soul items. That sounds good. Yeah, there's nothing that your Armor Giant has that I need or want. So, no shit at all. Alright, we'll do 30. Alright, let's see if Grerat's back. I doubt it, but he might be. Oh, he is back. Alright. Now I'm going to show you guys the new stuff that he sells. Like I said, he does sell the. Yeah, because he does sell the Elva set now. Along with 4 embers, which is nice. Bandit's Knife. The Zweiender. Right, so I think that's how it's pronounced. The War Pick. The Glaive. Short Bow. Light Crossbow. Yep, there's the Knight set. Oh, I could have sworn he sold the Elvis set too. Unless if somebody else sells that.
You can keep them with us. Goodbye, brothers.
All right. I was kind of hoping my Nesicans would be online by now. Hmm. Well, I'll see what my bro Evils wants. All right, actually, guys, I'm gonna stop now. I'm probably gonna go play a game with him, I guess. Whew. I was hoping Vanessa would be on because then me and her could play more of this together. I am gonna do Pontiff later. Like I said, I'm just gonna stop for now. Because I'm probably gonna go play some Rogue Company or something. I'm not sure. So that's all I'm gonna do for now, guys. God bless you and your families. Stay safe, and I will see you guys later. If anyone needs prayer, put your prayers down in the comments below, and I'll pray for you guys. And yeah, like, subscribe, share with your friends, help my channel grow. And remember, guys, you can accept Christ into your life at any moment. You know, uh, and the reason why I keep saying that is because I personally believe that Christianity is the true religion. There's lots of evidence backing Christianity up. There's historical evidence for almost everything that happened in the Bible, including the death and resurrection of Christ. There is historical proof that happened. Matter of fact, even non-believing scholars have even said that there's historical proof to state that he came back after being dead for 3 days. There's evidence for that. So like I said, it's got a lot of historical evidence. So us Christians, we don't just believe simply just by just off of blind faith. No, we have faith because there's evidence, to show that those things happen. But anyway, God bless you and your family. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And thank you for all the support that you give. All the likes, the subscribes, the views. It all helps my channel out tremendously. Because the more views and likes I get, the more likely my videos are to be seen by people. So it definitely helps out my channel. But like I said, I'll see you guys later. God bless.